Hey, everyone. Once again, welcome to Skip's Place. Hey, I just thought I'd throw you a quick tip. You ever been on a long ride or just, I don't know, a bike night? And you go to take your vest off later and shit like this happens and it just pulls the stupid thing out? Here, I'll show you how to fix it yourself. Check it out. So, go to the Walmart or wherever you want to go, it don't matter. Joann's. Joann's has a lot of shit like that. And so take the broken one out, right? Here, let me get moved around. I gotta move you around the other way. Sorry. You have to bear with me on this whole working a camera thing. Okay. So take the old one out of it, right? It'll just pull out. You may have to take a pair of pliers or something. A pair of needle nose. Something. A pair of side cutters. And pop it out of there. But in general, each one of them has a piece like this, a piece like this, okay? Okay, so then you take this, put this, take this end, okay, put it over that hole. See, it's sitting on there. See, it's stuck in there. All right, now all we're gonna do is we're gonna center this punch. This little punch that comes with that kit. We're gonna center this punch in the center of that hole. Then we're just gonna give it a tap. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Where are you going? And all better. See how it presses that down? It kind of presses it down into there. That's what this does. Hit it down into there. You don't have to beat the crap out of it. And it splits it and lays it down tight, pushes that back tight. Now you gotta do it to this one. So once again, just pull it out. Throw it down here in the trash because we don't want that junk in a tire. Because this shit will end up in a tire. Stuff. My bad. Okay. Again, we put that anchor down in that hole there. Just like so. Just feed it through there. We're going to sit it down on this side of this little plate. And again, we're going to grab us an end over here. That one almost seems like it's been used before. Huh. It's kind of article. Yes, you heard me say article. So, we'll use this one apparently. Same thing. It's kind of weird that that one looks like that. I need to go buy another set because these are my last ones for this side. And sometimes if you look on there and you need to, just like this one actually, you just make sure you're moved around on there good. Yep. I mean, you can hit it. You're not going to hurt it. You want to make sure it's tight because you don't want it to wear the hole out. And then go to the other side. Pull the old one out. Throw it in the trash because I'm here to tell you, again, those suckers will end up in a tire. So, until next time, I just thought that was a quick tip, real quick, something easy to learn, something you can run to the local store and do it yourself. You ain't even got to wait to go to a rally or something like that. You just run down to the Walmart, go to a Target, go to a Joann's. They all carry it. It's just a button fix or a snap. They also have it for like the rivets on jeans. They have it for all kinds of stuff. So it is what it is. It doesn't matter. Saves money. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.